Hi everyone! Today's video, you guys, I didn't know exactly what to film. So I was like, you know what? Let me just do a Snapchat Q&A because I haven't done one in a while. And Snapchat's been really pissing me off because of the new update, like just getting me really upset. I don't even know how to see people's Snapchat stories anymore, but people are saying Snapchat's canceled, Snapchat's canceled. Apparently not, because people are still watching the snaps. To show my Snapchat family some love, because I haven't been showing them love in a couple of days, because I haven't been snapping that much, because it's been pissing me off. I decided to do a Snapchat Q&A because why not? I haven't talked to you guys in a minute. I haven't done an Instagram live in a minute. Is this really an intro? I don't feel like it's an intro. I feel like it's just me talking. So, if you want to watch this Snapchat Q&A, we're just gonna roll right into it, you guys. So my phone is an iPhone X. She decided to treat herself to an iPhone X. I don't know, I'm like nervous, I'm excited, because I tweeted it. I said like, hey guys, I'm doing a Snapchat Q&A. Go snap me. You can snap me anything. I said you can ask me anything. You can show me anything. Maybe don't show me anything. Let's see. Okay, so the first one, Birdie Curry. So there's this guy who wants to get with me, and I don't really like him anymore. We haven't seen each other in years. Should I give him a chance? Thoughts? Jenna. Wait, you haven't seen him in a while. Okay, but he wants to get with you. It kind of depends on what your life is right now. Like, do you feel like you're good right now? Could you add entertaining a guy to your platter of stuff? You know, you're holding life by a platter. Is it too much? If it's not, cool, go ahead, entertain it. Just have fun.
So I just want to know, like, what are your favorite brushes that are affordable? Because girl, I am on a budget.
Budget.
So, yep. Also, what would be a good foundation, like a good full coverage foundation that will cover specific kind of bruises?
Bruises? Oh.
You know?
Bruises.
And yeah, that's it. All right, love you. Bye.
Oh my God, bye, love you. Brushes. These are the brushes that I carry with me at all times because I did my makeup today because I wanted to at least look pretty for the video. I have a bunch of Luxie brushes. Luxie brushes are really good brushes, but they're a little bit pricier. The ones that I would recommend are probably Morphe. If you have a couple more dollars to spend, I would recommend the pricier Morphe ones and Luxie brushes. The less pricey ones at Morphe are good, but not as great as their pricier ones. And even then, their pricier ones aren't even that pricey. Also, I have some MAC brushes that I've like decided to treat myself. MAC brushes, you guys, will never go bad on you. They just don't go bad on you. Like, I know people who've had MAC brushes for years. And then a full coverage foundation, MAC Studio Fix. I have MAC Studio Fix. This one's very full coverage. And then also the Fenty Beauty one. It's very heavy medium. And if you add 2 layers, it's definitely full coverage.
What is your advice on the best way to get over a breakup?
Best way to get over a breakup is basically realize that it's called a breakup because it's broken. But understand that you have to get the fuck over it. Like, I can't imagine being sad over someone for an entire month. A week is already a really long time to be sad over something. You look young as so you're probably like 18. Think about it. If you live up to 100 years old, you only have 80 years. I know this sounds dark, but understand that life is way too short to be wasting it. Would you do a fan's makeup for a video? By the way, love you so much. Yeah, I think that would actually be really fun. But you gotta be like my complexion because I don't understand how to do other people's skin color, but I can do my skin color on somebody else. So if you got my similar skin color, we might be doing a video soon.
Where are you originally from, and can I hear you talk a full sentence in Spanish?
So I am originally from LA. Like, I was born in LA, moved to Houston, Texas at 12, but my parents are from Mexico, so that's why I know Spanish. Hola, mi nombre es Gabriel y bienvenidos para atrás a mi canal. So, para ese video vamos a... Oh my God, I haven't spoken Spanish in a good minute. If you didn't get any of that, I'm actually gonna be taking more Spanish classes. I'm probably gonna do Rosetta Stone you guys in Spanish just so I can do more Spanish videos on my channel.
Hi Gabriel, mi pregunta es, ¿cuál es tu comida mexicana favorita? And no, hot Cheetos do not count.
Shady. Oh yeah, hot Cheetos are not Spanish food. So mi comida favorita es flautas, porque cada vez que voy para atrás para Texas, mi mamá me hace flautas. If you don't know Spanish. My favorite food is flautas, which basically is a tortilla. Well, technically you're supposed to put chicken, but my mom makes it with potato and beans. So you just basically put potato and beans in it and you roll it up and it's like a taco. You grill it, you take them out and you put crema on top, which is not mayonnaise, but it is white. I don't think it's mayonnaise. I don't know how to explain it in English. And then you put cabbage and then you put queso fresco, which is like grounded cheese. And then you put salsa on top of it and it makes my mouth water every single time.
What was your biggest regret?
My biggest regret? Oh, you know what was my biggest regret? You know those stupid like acting commercials that they put on the radio? Like, do you want to be on the Disney Channel like Selena Gomez and Justin Bieber and Taylor Swift and blah, 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 blah. My I went to one of those one time and I was young. I think I was like 19. I went on my own because my parents didn't understand that. I wanted to be an actor. It's still my passion. I still have to get back into it. And I went and I lost $1,500 in that process. So if you ever see that, don't believe it.
Oh my god, hi Gabriel.
Hi.
Oh my god, I love you so much.
I love you too.
I've been a huge fan of you since
Hi.
I can remember.
Oh, you're so sweet.
And I just love your personality.
Oh,
and
thank you.
I don't know, you're probably like one of my favorite influencers, not gonna lie. My question would have to be, what advice would you give someone who is interested in entering the beauty community, as in a YouTuber or like an influencer? Thank you.
Okay, I'm sending you a snap back because you were so sweet. Hi, thank you so much. I love you so much. Bye. I did create a video, you guys, called How to Be a YouTuber, which is basically my experience on becoming a YouTuber. And I do have tips and tricks on there, not just from me as like, oh, this is what I did, but also like advice. So if you haven't seen it, I'll try to link it somewhere here. If you're trying to become a YouTuber, like understand that the field is now overly saturated. There's so many people trying to become a YouTuber, so it's gonna take a little bit longer. I feel like I became a YouTuber right at the end of it, like to where it was like, oh, okay, this is different. Like not many people are doing YouTube, but also understand that there are so many people out there. So what is gonna set you apart? Girl, I was not amazing at makeup. I'm still not that good. My liner still sucks, but I had purple hair, I'm bronzy as fuck, and I have a great personality.
Hi, Gabriel Zamora.
Hi.
I have a question for you.
Okay.
What is your favorite type of man? Like, what do you look in a guy? Like,
What is my
since
favorite
it's
what?
Valentine's Day, I thought, let's ask my bitch, like, what kind of type she likes. We know you like that D.
Okay, so what do I look for in a guy? I really want to do a relationship type video where I talk about guys and talk about my relationship stuff and also give like relationship advice. I don't know why I think I'm like really good at relationships when I've ever been in one, but I've heard I give good relationship advice. So what do I look for in a guy? I don't look for much in a guy. I think a guy just has to be funny, like just make me laugh, have a good sense of humor, and just be pretty chill. I don't like a very energetic person, like too energetic, because I'm not even that energetic, so it would like be too much for me. And you have good hygiene. Oh, just have good hygiene. Like I used to want someone who was like really tall, and then I've gone on dates with guys who are really tall. And yeah, it's fun, but sometimes they have like no personality. So I'm like, okay, you can't just like look for tall guys. Oh, you know what's so attractive? Oh, this is the one thing that you need to have. This is the one, even if you can't make me laugh, you have to have confidence. If you have confidence, oh, I've had guys approach me with confidence and I'm like, oh, you really that confident?
What's your favorite thing about being a creator? What's your favorite thing about being a creator? What's your favorite thing about being a creator? What's your favorite thing about being a creator?
My favorite thing out of anything, if anything, is meeting y'all. So like whether it's like meeting you out and about, like in a restaurant or like at a store, just walking around at a meet and greet. If I get to meet you and you come up to me and you're like, hi, like I'm blah, blah, blah. And I'm always like, hi, I'm Gabriel. Like, to me, it's more fulfilling when I actually get to meet a person who follows me, who actually like interacts with my content, who actually engages with my stuff, who watches my videos. Cause I'm like, oh wow, like you really watch me. I just love meeting people. Like that's my favorite part. So I decided to do purple. Right now, it's not that purple because I usually spray it with purple. So this is what happens. We dye my hair purple, it becomes too violet. I got scared, I put blue conditioner on it, and it made it this like periwinkle purple. It matches the background really well, so it's like this periwinkle purple. I just wanted to change. I honestly had that same blue hair for 2 years. That's what made me change my hair, because I was just tired of the blue.
Hello, love.
Hi.
Hope you're having a great day. So question. If you had a celebrity who you could style, who would it be and why? If you had a celebrity who you'd want to date, who would it be and why? And if you had a celebrity you wanted to marry, who would it be and why?
Style, date, marry.
Much love. Have a great day. Bye.
Style, okay, I don't want to style them, but I want them to style me, is Rihanna. Date a celebrity. I honestly was like so in love with Sam Smith until he got a boyfriend, and you got to keep your legs close to married men. So, I mean, I know he's not married, but he has a boyfriend, and I don't do that. But if I could marry anyone and he wasn't married, it would either be celebrity wise, Jimmy Fallon. I think he's just really funny, and I like someone that can just make me laugh. Could you imagine like dating someone who's just funny? I would live. I would live.
Gabby! So, my question is, how
Titties.
often
Titties.
do you go full face glam if you're not doing a video?
Honestly, not often. I don't honestly do full face glam at all times. Like all this, I don't do on a regular basis, if I'm being quite honest. Hi, Gabriel. If you had to go 1 year using the same makeup routine, what would be your holy grails? Oh, should I just film a holy grail tutorial? Thank you, Cameron White01. I'm gonna film a holy grails makeup tutorial.
My question to you is, have you ever thought of when you want to get married and how many, if you want kids, how many?
Yeah, I want like 5 kids, you guys. Like I want a ton of fucking kids. Like I'm not even gonna lie. 3 minimum. Like I don't want no 2 kids. Like I want a big ass family. I come from a family of 4 kids. All of my family, like my aunts, uncles, and everybody had a ton of kids. Like we just have a ton of kids. It's probably because I'm Mexican too.
What's your least favorite thing about doing makeup?
My least favorite thing about doing makeup probably has to be liner. I just fucking hate doing liner.
Hola, Gabby. So I need some advice. I'm at work. So my brother was recently getting divorced and now he's getting back with his ex, but he hasn't officially told me. During this time, him and I got really, really close. And I guess, I don't know if he's too embarrassed to tell me or he just is gonna like get back with her and just expect us to be like, oh, okay. What do I do? How do I even tell him, like, what are you doing? Why? What is going on? What would you do? Love you.
Love you too. Okay, so the advice I'm going to give you is what I would do in this situation. I would have to respect it in a sense. Went down because a divorce happened. So shit did go down, right? But if he is willing to forgive, you have to be willing to. Like, let's say, like your brother is upset with her. They're getting a divorce. Cool, like that's your brother. Even if it comes to a friend. Cool, that's your friend. That's your ride or die. That's who you fuck with, right? If they are now cool with that person, you can't be upset if they're not upset. Because you got upset because they were upset at that person. You look at them side-eyed. Oh, you know? If y'all got a divorce, it's for a reason. So you look at her and you watch her and you let her know by just looking at her like, I'm watching you, I'm watching you. But you can't be upset. You still gotta keep it cool. You gotta keep it gooch. And if they break up again, guess what? That's your brother. You're still gonna be there and you're still gonna be supportive. If he goes back a 3rd time, then he's a fucking idiot. As long as he's not doing drugs or killing someone or doing some illegal shit, let people live. Let grown people live. Who would you have a one-night stand with if it could be anyone? Oh, a one-night stand? Oh, Maluma or Drake? But I also want to marry them. So I think I want to like get the opportunity to do the one-night stand, hit them with the 1-2, show them what's really good, make them fall in love, and then hopefully get a ring on it. Thoughts on the new Snapchat update? Love you, Gabriel. I hate it, but apparently y'all still watching my stuff, so I'm gonna keep using it. Also, since nobody asked me, but I put these things out. On the lips, I am wearing a Girls Got Needs matte lipstick by MAC Cosmetics. It's like this very like nude color. It looks a little reddish right there, but it's very much my skin tone. And then I blended it in with Spice lip liner. And then I put this gloss on top of it because it has like a purplish shift to it. So it complements really well. This one is Oyster Girl, which is a lip gloss by MAC. I'll always forever be a MAC girl. And then I also have my lipstick right here, my Gabriel Zamora one. And for highlight, today I used Artist Couture. This is Slay Nolly. I'm obsessed with it. And also the base for that though was these 2 highlights right here. This is from the It's My Rary BH Cosmetics palette. And then for contouring, just like my cheekbones, I use this color right here a little bit, just a little bit. I used some of the shadows. I used the brown one, but I also used my Kristen Dominique Latte palette. This brown right here, caramel, is the best color caramel I've had in a very long time. So I am obsessed. That's my makeup today, you guys. Thank you to everyone who was in my Snapchat Q&A. Thank you so much for sending me Snapchat. I might start doing these more, but if Snapchat dies off, I don't know what I'll do. So that's why I wanted to create this video, because what if Snapchat goes away forever? I would just be so sad. Like, I just don't want to lose my Snapchat fam. There's just something about my Snapchat fam. If y'all saw my tweets, if you don't follow me on Twitter, I was tweeting like, I'm over the Snapchat update. Gabriel, shut the fuck up. You're still gonna use that. Shut your bitch ass up. But yeah, thank you guys so much. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them down in the comment section down below. If you have any video ideas, you guys, leave them down in the comment section down below. I get a lot of my ideas and content ideas from y'all. So let me know what I should film next and I'll totally film it, because I create content for y'all as well for myself, because I'm a little greedy. Sometimes I want to look real pretty. But yeah, if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye everyone. Bye everyone. Bye everyone. Bye everyone.